Okay, I'll be reviewing the MSI Optix AG32C. Okay, the reason why I'm uploading this video is because I was looking for this product on YouTube, but there's only one only one guy who unboxed this and reviewed this thing, and it was he tried the monitor without changing the actual refresh rate. So yeah, I'm gonna be starting to unbox this. Okay, so we have the base here, and this is gonna be attached to this one, and the display port. Yeah, I think this is the display port. HDMI, the power cable, which is going to be attached to this power brick, and instruction manual and the warranty card. Yeah, and beneath it is the monitor itself. Alright, this thing is a curved monitor. It has a refresh rate of 165 Hz. Yeah, this thing is nuts because 144 Hz is already good, but 165. But you should have a decent PC to achieve the 165 Hz. You should be reaching at least 165 FPS too. So yeah, and yeah, this thing is good. Alright, so I'm gonna assemble the thing first. I'll be back. Alright, I already got it fixed, so everything attached. Now, if you guys are wondering, there's a DVI port. Yeah, HDMI, and a display port, and the power cable port. So that's all. Everything in the back. Actually, this one lights up. It's color red, so take note of this, because some of you guys have the themes on their setup, right? Just take note of it. It's red. It's the base is red, and everything is it's like a red and black theme. Alright, so I'm gonna set this up on my computer. Okay, now we're done. It's 1080 at 165 Hz. A lot of you guys think that a 1080p for a 32-inch is bad, but no, I don't think so. It's still good, unless it's 40-inch or something. It will be noticeable. So this one looks good. It's I'm looking at a 27-inch or 24-inch in terms of the pixels. Yeah, it's still good. I don't know why people are over exaggerating that 1080p looks bad on 32-inch. It doesn't. I'd say there's no difference at all. Alright, that's it. That's it for the review, for the unboxing of the Optix.